Alright, you guys, so this is part 2 of the Megalook bucket bleaching and watercolor. So if you saw the first video, you saw me bleach it, you saw me watercolor it, and now we're going to go into the install. So if you have not seen that, just go ahead and watch the first video of that, and I'll show you exactly how I got this color. So this is my natural hair. I straightened it. I should have did that on camera, but the next time I do it, I'll do it on camera. It's pretty long. It's almost to my waist. It looks thin here because it's oily, like I've had it down for about 2 weeks, so it's time for me to wash it. So I haven't been putting on wigs for about 2 weeks, and so like I've been missing it. So I was like, okay, I needed braids. So I ended up getting braids after I did this install, and I am just going to do this install with my hair non-braided. Well, I'm about to put braids in there, but they're not really good. So I took some gel and I put them on my edges just to make sure my edges are back and neat, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and put 2 braids in it. Like I said, I really don't braid, so I did as best as I could, and then I just pinned it back and put on my stocking cap. So once my stocking cap is on, I am gonna go in and cut my ears all out, not off, but out. So I could get a flat stocking cap install. And so what I like to do is I go in with my Got To Be gel first, and then I'll trace out my hairline, and then I'll go in with the freeze spray and also spray that on there and let it dry down. So while my stocking cap is drying down, I like to go in and just start styling my wig. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just going to show you guys me wanding it. Now this is a one size wand. I actually like these kind of wands for waves. Like they give the best waves. So I did get this from my local Burlington Coat Factory. This is a BB wand. I will put a link to this wand if I could find it from Amazon or something similar to this length and style of wand. I'll have that in my description box for you guys, okay? So basically I just go through and then do not tight wand curls, but like loose wand curls. I'll wrap the hair around the wand and I'll let the wand sit on the hair until like it gets hot on my fingertips. And once it's hot on my fingertips, then I know that it's time to release the hair because the heat went throughout the entire portion of the hair that I'm wanding. Okay, so that I do that through the entire portion of my wig. And I like to keep my sectionings neat when it comes to wanding, because I don't know, I just like to do that. So I like to take about like 3 rows of tracks, and then I'll wand that, then take another 3 rows of tracks, and then I'll wand that. And I'm just wanding backwards away from the face. And yeah, so you guys gonna see me do half of the head. You don't need to see me do the whole head because that'll just be a little bit redundant. And I'll come back when it's time for the install. So after I wand aside, I do go in with my spritz and just lightly spray the hair and scrunch it up. And that just helps it hold, because I am going to go in and wand the other side. And I didn't, while I was filming this, I didn't go ahead and hurry up and put the wig on after I was finished with the hair. So I wanted to make sure that the wave stayed in there. So after that, I took a wide tooth comb, a big wide tooth comb, and I gently combed it through. I didn't comb it through to the point where I lost all the waves. I just combed it enough to, like, combine or conjoin some of the curls so it could look a little bit neater and uniform. And so this was the finished look. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig. So I ended up putting on so I could see the sizing of this. It fit pretty good. I am a size 22.5. So if you're like a 23, you could definitely wear this unit. If you're a smaller head, this will definitely be bigger on you. This did come with an elastic band on it. I did cut it out because I'm not really an elastic band type of person when it comes to frontals. When I wear closures, it's cool, but not when I wear frontals. So I did cut it out. And it does come with adjustable straps and combs. So if you do have a smaller head, you can adjust it to your head size, all right? So I'd like to take my Ruby Kisses because this lace is lighter than me, and I like to put some of that makeup on top of the lace. Not a lot, just a little bit, okay? Because once your wig is installed, then you'll go in and add more if you need to. And to install this wig, I am going to use my my Boho Liquid Gold. And this is my favorite product to use when it comes to adhering my wigs, especially if I'm not really going anywhere and I'm just wearing them for a day or a couple of days or maybe even a week. I like to use this because it's gentle on your hair, it's gentle on your hairline, it's an easy cleanup, and I just really love this product. So this is not really a lace glue. I like to call it a lace serum. It's kind of like on a cusp of like got to be gel, but it's not as like potent or like as like damaging as the got to be gel, because it doesn't have all those alcohols and stuff like that inside of the product, which is wonderful, because got to be could actually really dry out your hair if you use it so much. So you want to make sure that you be careful with that. And if you are a person that use a lot of got to be on your hair, you want to make sure once you rinse it out or whatever like that, you condition your hairline, because that's how a lot of you guys lose your edges and stuff like that. I always get asked how come I still have my edges, and it's because when I take my wigs down, I condition my hairline. I will wash out whatever gel or glue or whatever is on my hairline, and then I'll go in after I wash it out with whatever shampoo I'm using. I will go in and put my oils on there, and then I'll put my bonnet on it, my silk bonnet, and call it a night, girl. Like, I don't play about my edges, okay? So I am going to go in and install this and cut off the lace and just lay my baby hairs, and that's basically it for this video. Megalook. This is not my first time working with this company, and I've always enjoyed their hair. I do want to say, if you did not watch the first video, you should. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll leave all the details to everything that I use down below in the description box, as well as the first video of how I colored my hair this color. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section. You guys know that I will always be down there watching them. And that is about it, best friends. Until next time, bye. Oh, and if you guys are interested in my lashes, because I'm always getting asked that, you can find those on my website, AIYANYI.AIYANYI.com. And you can order my lash set. I wear 2 pairs of lashes at one time, and that's the reason why they look so dramatic. And these are 25 millimeters. Okay, so until next time, bye you guys.
On the beat. Playing on the beat. Playing on the beat.